a special place in the hearts of Long Islanders. St. Francis the Heart Center, a member of Catholic Health of Long Island.
Wednesday, time 11:34. Fotis Dulos appeared in court today, a day after he was charged with murder in the death of his estranged wife, Jennifer Dulos, who disappeared back on May 24th.
To post a $6 million bond, it's another night in jail for Fotis Dulos, charged with murder and kidnapping in the disappearance last May of his wife, Jennifer Dulos. In arguing for a bail reduction, attorney Norm Pattis told the judge the state can't even settle on motive.
From one of trying to end the divorce to trying to take financial advantage of the children's trust.
But the judge got the bail high based on what he calls a quantity of evidence.
We're ready for trial. We're optimistic. We're looking forward to getting the discovery, and we very much want
to clear his name. Also hoping to post bail, girlfriend Michelle Traconis and attorney friend Kent Mahoney. Both are charged with murder conspiracy. Al Jones, 10-10 wins in Stamford.
Wednesday, time 11:35. Roughly 2/3 of Puerto Rico still in the news now. This following a series of aftershocks after that magnitude 6.4 earthquake Tuesday. Correspondent Danica Popo is in Juanica, where tents have been set up.
So a lot of people have been traumatized by this. They don't know when the next one is being hit, and a lot of them have said that they prefer a hurricane because at least they can prepare.
Many people afraid of sleeping indoors are sleeping on mattresses in their front yards. Wednesday, 11:36. Aretha Franklin's son, according to BET.com, is speaking out against a biopic about his...
Hello?
What was your emergency?
I was just in a traffic accident on Route 23 in front of Gary's Wine.
Okay, so any injuries?
Maybe.
Okay, what kind of vehicle?
I'm in a Jeep Compass.
Okay, are you okay?
I am. An aggressive driver brake checked me. An aggressive driver swerved in front of me and slammed on their brakes really, really hard, and in an effort to I guess either cause a wreck or scare me or something, and I hit them. I have it on camera.
Okay, are you in the Jeep?
I'm in the Jeep.
Okay, what's your name? Okay, we'll have an officer over there momentarily, okay?
He's behind me.
Okay, perfect. Go speak with him.
All right, he's right here.
All right.
Can you just move
Okay.
off the roadway here?
You can talk to
the
him.
side?
Yeah, it's a lady.
Okay, you can talk to her then. Okay. We can disconnect.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
The musical based on the popular sitcom starring Fran Drescher is headed to Broadway. Drescher will write the show, but says she will not reprise her role. The folks behind the Oscars have made a decision on what to do about a host.
Last year's hostless Oscar saw a sizable bump in the ratings after a couple...